So, off the top of my head, let me quickly explain everything I want to go over in this front end tutorial. I just finished the back end. I want to demonstrate my skills. So, alright, Next.js 11. We're going to get in Next.js 11 and Node 16, the latest versions. Let's see, we'll cover all the rendering methods, static and dynamic, the SSG, SSR, CSR, and ISR. We'll cover Git commits. I'm going to be using Git commits, branching, my stash. Going to sync it all with GitHub while we go. And when I think about the app I'm about to develop, we're going to make some nestable layouts. We're going to do some JSON fetching, auto-generate the user pages from the JSON objects. Throw some heads in there, auto-generate the heads dynamically, even though they're static pages. Go over a bunch of SEO things I think about. I'm probably going to spew out SEO, a bunch of Yoast SEO practices while I go, and what I don't like about their practices. We're going to make some error pages. We're going to make a to-do list. Make the Docker image, a Docker file, Docker ignore. We're going to Dockerize it. We might talk about Kubernetes or Prometheus. We're going to do some redirects, basic redirects, just throw that in there. We're going to go over 8 different security headers to put in the next config file. We're going to go over SVG and raster images. We're going to put those in, even though I like SVGs more. We're going to use some SWR for our API Redis calls to serve cache from Redis. We're going to do this all on localhost, but let me get more things out of my head. Do some local storage, we'll do some cookies, we'll do some client cache, we'll do an Nginx FastCGI cache along with the Redis cache. We're going to CRUD a NoSQL database. I'm probably going to put MariaDB in there because MariaDB is almost just as fast as Redis and everything except for deleting. One of my favorites. So we're going to CRUD a Maria database. We're going to insert, select, delete, update, yada yada yada, different user permissions for different things. We're going to make a bunch of APIs. We're going to use, if I can think of some, OAuth. We're going to put OAuth, Stripe, and PayPal in there. We're going to create some custom logging in and signing up scripts. I'm probably going to implement a few third-party tools that do these things. We're gonna put static. All our static files are gonna go to CDN. I'll demonstrate how to put that into your Next.js. I don't know. Then I guess we'll make a few subdomains and handle a bunch of everything. React, JavaScript, HTML, and CSS pages with everything in them. All my favorite. Show off a bunch of my favorite animations. And I don't know. I guess that's about it off the top of my head. To summarize, we're going to develop this localhost on Windows, and then because on the back end we already did, it has Nginx, and we didn't install Node on it yet, but we have it on localhost. We'll install Node and Yarn and all that good stuff. But after we develop on localhost, we're gonna link it all to GitHub. I think I might have already said that. And then we're going to set up automatic deployment by linking our GitHub to our Nginx server with PM2. And we're going to have it automatically pulled from GitHub and straight into our Nginx to serve the website online. And we're going to do it all by hand, the hard and boring way, because I kind of want to demonstrate that I have this memory of all these things. Yay, I can't copy paste from all my spreadsheets and all my favorite things. Yay, I get to type it all by hand. Wow, so much fun. I mean, I'm excited. The only reason I'm really doing this is to find a nice job. I need to demonstrate my skills somehow. Yeah, cool. Yeah, let's jump right in. Welcome to Next.js.